Question 18. So, to find f to the minus 2, we simply have to substitute minus 2 into the f function. So 2 lots of minus 2 divided by 3 lots of minus 2 plus 5. So 2 lots of minus 2 is minus 4, 3 lots of minus 2 is minus 6 add 5 is minus 1, minus 4 divided by minus 1 is 4. Now for part B, we've got to find the inverse function of g, the result we get when we substitute 6 into this. So first things first, we've got to find the inverse function for g. So we have to change the subject for the g function. So let's kick off by letting y equal 3 over x plus 4, which I've done over here in purple. I've then multiplied both sides by x plus 4, then multiplied out the left-hand side bracket, giving me this. I've then taken 4y from both sides, and then dividing through by y makes x the subject. So I've changed the subject, but then of course y is just something I've artificially introduced to help me do the rearrangement. So rather than writing this down, I write down my inverse function of x equals 3 minus 4x over x. So this is what I've then got to substitute 6 into. I need to substitute 6 into my inverse function. I'm substituting 6 into this. So that's 3 minus 4 lots of 6 all over 6, which is minus 21 over 6, which is fine. That's as a final answer, or you might have simplified it to minus 7 over 2, or a decimal thereof. Now for part C, we've got to find fg of minus 5. To do this, you first of all substitute minus 5 into the g function, and take that output and substitute that output into the f function. So it's g function first. So minus 5 into this g function. So 3 divided by minus 5 plus 4 is 3 over minus 1, which is minus 3. And then I take this output and substitute it into the f function. So 2 lots of minus 3 all over 3 times minus 3 plus 5, which is minus 6 over minus 4, which is 3 over 2. Now for part D, I've got to find the values for x where the f function equals the g function. So set them equal to each other. I've then multiplied both sides by 3x plus 5 and x plus 4 to give me this. I've then multiplied out and taken it all to the left hand side to give me this quadratic equation. This factorizes to 2x plus 5 times x minus 3. So my two values for x are x equals minus 5 over 2 or x equaling 3.